Hilton Head Island is such a special place because when you drive across that bridge, I just feel like all your worries are gone. Hi, my name is Lola Campbell, and I'm the owner of Benya, which is a Gullah and Lowcountry gift shop here on Hilton Head. I'm a sixth generation Native Islander and Gullah of Hilton Head Island. I'm so proud to say that, my family goes back to an enslaved person who was brought here around 1820, and the Campbell family is still here today. Here on Hilton Head, the Gullah community is so important. I think it is just part of the fabric of this place. We can take it back to historic Mitchellville, Freedom Park, the first self-governed town of formerly enslaved people in America. And it's right here on Hilton Head. That's where the Gullah culture on Hilton Head started, because Gullah people are descendants of West Africans who were brought here, West Africans in other areas of Africa, who were brought here for slavery, and we are still here today. And the foodways, the language, all of that is part of the culture.
I grew up in this business. My parents bought the restaurant in 1975 from the Hudson family. I was born in 78. The saying, it takes a village, here I just feel like we've had so much support from the community with just raising our kids and them getting to see a lot of different people from a lot of different socioeconomic backgrounds, a lot of different ethnic backgrounds. I just think it's a really special place for kids to grow up. I'm super jealous of my kids all the time because I remember what it was like for me when they're, fishing off the dock, jumping off the dock, going out on the boat.
My name is Simon Fraser. I've moved to Hilton Head in 1965, so I've been here approximately 61 years. I'm a practicing lawyer on Hilton Head Island, and I'm also the chairman of the Heritage Classic Foundation, which is the host sponsor of the RBC Heritage. The RBC Heritage brings 100,000 people a year attend the tournament, but it creates a great economic impact for the state of South Carolina, Hilton Head Island, about $130-something million. Our organization builds the tournament, builds all the spectator seating, builds the skyboxes, puts on the tournament, handles food and beverage, concessions, everything but the actual competition inside the ropes, which is done by the PGA Tour. Hilton Head Island is a big tourist destination, a lot of permanent residents, but it's also a big tourist destination. I think overall it's a great benefit to our small island. The Sea Pies Plantation was started back in the late 1950s. It was Charles Fraser developed a system of land restrictions. So it was one of the first, certainly in South Carolina, one of the first large-scale communities that had recorded land restrictions that dictated what you could do in the community. It's about 4,900 acres, probably a little bit over 5,000 residential units. It has 4 golf courses, it has a hotel, it has condominiums, single-family residential lots, rental properties, a beautiful beach. We have fantastic amenities, beautiful beach club. South Beach is a wonderful place. This is as fine a place as you're going to find. Come visit us. This is our town.
Come see us on Hilton Head Island. This is our town.
This is Hilton Head Island. This is our town.